Production presents Isaac Espinoza. Hey there guys, it's me Isaac from Isaac Espinoza, and today's video is a brand new series I like to call How To. And what that means is I'm going to show you it's just like a fun video. It's just not like nothing real. Sorry, I have a bad cold. I don't know how it came to me, but yeah. So today's video, what I'm going to show you is how to sharpen a pencil versus a mechanical pencil. So I thought of this video, someone asked it. So let's get started. Oh, I'm in school. I'm so smart. Look at me. Oh, my sharpener. Oh, no. Let's sharpen my pencil. Okay. Where's the thing to make my pencil sharpen? I'm so smart. Look at me. I'm knowing all the answers. 9 plus 10 equals 21. That's how to sharpen a pencil. Now I'll sharpen a mechanical. Ah! Oh my god. Oh. I broke in my sharpener. I want to take a drink of water. Oh, good. Yay! That is fun to drink and everything. Oh my god, bye. So I hope you guys really liked it. That was me actually in school thinking I'm knowing everything. Yeah, and I did not plan it to do that, but it just broke my sharpener. It's broken now. I can't use it. It literally cracked right there. So that's a how-to basic. I'm gonna have to clean a lot of water because it leaked. And yeah, and the water literally spilled on me. I was just like, oh, I'm gonna drink some water. And yeah, I did not do nothing to the mechanical pencil. But that's how to sharpen a pencil. See you guys next time on Moose Productions. Don't forget to subscribe.